Who doesn't want to get paid in dividends every single month? As you remember from one of my last videos, your money must work for you and make you more money. That's why I found for you 7 monthly paying dividend companies, which I'm gonna show you today. Hey guys, my name is Maria. I'm invested in the stock market, some real estate and cryptocurrency, and this channel is my online diary. Welcome! And please don't forget that this channel is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not giving you any financial advice here. As I'm always saying, investing in the stock market could be really risky, and living on the planet Earth could be really risky too. I love talking about the stock market so much that I even don't have friends anymore. So let's get into it, and the first one monthly paying dividend company is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. Main Street Capital Corporation was founded in 2007 and it's based in Houston, Texas. Main Street Capital is one of the best-in-class business development companies that provides equity and debt capital to smaller and middle-market companies. Main Street Capital has helped over 200 private companies grow or transition by providing flexible private equity and debt capital solutions. Main Street Capital is paying a monthly dividend nearly 0.20 cents per one share. It's about $2.5 per one share annually, and the annual yield is 5.89%. You should know, guys, that here on my Yahoo Finance website, it's the annual percentage shown, so you just have to divide it on 12 months to understand your monthly yield, okay? And also please hit that like button to support my growing channel, because I'm always trying to make the best quality content for you here. So next one, Gladstone Land, ticker symbol LAND. This company was founded in 1997. Gladstone Land is a publicly traded real estate investment trust that acquires and owns farmland and farm-related properties located in major agricultural markets in the US and leases its properties to unrelated third-party farmers. Gladstone Land has not too high monthly dividend yield, but anyway, it's good to have some cash flow, right? The annual yield is 2.75% here. The next one, Realty Income, ticker symbol O, one of my favorite companies. Realty Income has a diversified real estate portfolio and has a market capitalization of over $24 billion. The company is a member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats Index. Realty Income is paying a monthly dividend about $0.23, and the annual yield is 4.29% while I'm recording this video. Remember that the percentage might change slightly day to day. Okay, one more company, Shaw Communications, the ticker symbol SJR. Shaw Communications was founded in 1966 and is headquartered in Calgary, Canada. Shaw Communications Incorporation operates as a connectivity company in North America. The company operates through wireline and wireless segments. So again here, the monthly dividend yield is not too high per share. You will need more shares to get a good amount of money monthly, and the annual yield is 3.49% now. The next company is STAG Industrial. The ticker symbol is STAG. STAG Industrial is a real estate investment trust focused on the acquisition and operation of single-tenant industrial properties throughout the United States. STAG Industrials has been paying out dividends for many years now, and for the past 7 years, it has been increasing its dividends. It's one of the safest monthly dividend stocks with $1 billion company. The annual yield here is 4.11%, and the monthly dividend yield per share you'll get 0.12 cents. Number 6, we have Global Water Resorts, ticker symbol GWRS. Global Water Resource Incorporation, a water resource management company, owns, operates, and manages regulated water. Also, wastewater and recycled water utilities, primary in metropolitan Phoenix, Arizona. Global Water Resources is paying not too high monthly dividends, and the annual yield is 1.74%. Also, the price per share is not too high, so maybe it's a good buy opportunity. And finally, guys, we have number 7, Green Realty Corporation. The ticker symbol SLG. Green Realty Corporation, an S&P 500 company and Manhattan's largest office landlord. It's also a fully integrated real estate investment trust that is focused primarily on acquiring, managing, and maximizing value of Manhattan commercial properties. Green Realty is paying a monthly dividend nearly $0.30 per one share. It's about $3.64 per one share annually, and the annual yield here is 5.04% by the date I'm recording this video. Well, now we have collected such a great basket of dividend monthly paying shares, my friends, but remember, please always make your own research before you invest in. Don't forget to join me in my $1 million journey and hit that like button to support my growing channel. Take care, stay safe, bye!